Working on this boiler. Customer's issue was that they could hear a lot of banging noise from the boiler. So when I cycle it on, I can actually hear this pump that was trying to turn the shaft, the impeller inside, and it wasn't doing either one. It was just, I guess, the linkage inside there was just rocking back and forth, and you know, seized up. It looks like it hadn't been oiled in such a long time. So I did put oil in the ports here, kind of cleaned off the best that I could. Let's put this back here too. I just wanted to see what it'll look like in there. Did put some more oil in there, so looks like it hasn't had maintenance in a while. So once we got it oiled up, and remove whatever dirt was in there, whatever debris, and then it did come on. So the motor's a little hot, so we'll go ahead and turn it on here at this switch. There's on and off switch. And we'll come back over here. That way we can listen and see what's going on. So now it's running smoothly after I put some oil and took off whatever kind of dirt was inside where the linkage was. And I can actually hear the water circulating, which I didn't hear before. So that got rid of the noise. Just a little oil and removing any dirt or debris there. And I got about 1.7 amps on this motor here. So pretty good there. So at least you can have some heat, and you can see it's kind of loose there. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten up those bolts there. And let's see, is this, can't tell if this is oil or water. It's probably just old oil, I guess. It doesn't feel like water or anything, but well, I'm glad, because I don't carry these type of parts on the truck. So that's good news there. So let's see what this, there was so much dirt on the gauge, couldn't even see what it was saying. So all right, perfect.